lost and I will find light. Howling melons, a chilly sound in this eerie town. A hushed vibe and a familiar stare, a flicker of eyes in the midnight air. The hermit's shack, a flickering light. Our hearts race in the dead of night. The tangled vines seem to trap our feet. Oh, the swamp holds secrets we can't defeat. Howling melons, a chilly sound in this eerie town. Underneath the full moon's glow, something prowls, dancing slow. If we're brave, will we find what haunts the night, lurking behind? Howling melons, a chilling sound in this ear.